integration in logical learning.
Today's topic, Soils of India. Let's get started. Soil can be simply defined as a mixture of small rock particles, debris, and organic materials or humus which develop on the earth's surface and support growth of plants. Mainly, there are 4 types of soil dominantly found in India. They are alluvium soil, black soil, red soil, and laterite soil. Black soil is black in color, thus the name regular. It is clay in nature and it is fertile. It is rich in lime and magnesium and poor in nitrogen and humus. Water retention capacity is very high. The characteristics of alluvium soil. It is a riverine soil as it is formed by river deposits, covers 40% of the total land mass in India. Mainly of 2 types, khadar, which is newer alluvium, and bhangar, which is older alluvium. It is loamy, rich in potash and lime, poor in nitrogen and humus, differs in texture. Here are some important differences. Residual soil and transported soil. Parent material in residual soil is the underlying bedrock, whereas transported soil parent material is different from the underlying bedrock. The soil was made in the area and will have the same composition of the solid bedrock in residual soil. Soil was transported to the current location by agents of erosion in transported soil. If the bedrock is made up of granite and the soil has the same minerals as granite, then the soil is residual. The bedrock will have a different composition than the soil in transported soil. The difference between bhangar and khadar. In bhangar, this is old alluvial soil and khadar is newer alluvial soil. Bhangar soil is found far from the river basins. Khadar soil is found close to the river basins. Bhangar soil is less fertile and therefore not suitable for agriculture, whereas Khadar soil is very fertile and therefore very suitable for agriculture. The characteristics of laterite soil. It is red in color due to high iron content, thus acidic in nature. It is coarse, it is porous, infertile, poor in nitrogen, lime and potash. Agriculture practiced through irrigation. The characteristics of red soil. High percentage of iron makes the soil color red. It is acidic in nature, poor in nitrogen, lime, potash and organic matter. It is suitable for dry farming practiced through irrigation and fertilizers. Soils of India at a glance. Alluvial soil is formed by deposition of sediments by rivers. Black soil is formed by weathering of lava rocks. Laterite soil is formed by weathering of crystalline rocks. Red soil is formed by leaching in areas of heavy rain. Alluvial soil can be found in northern plains of Punjab, Haryana, UP, West Bengal, coastal regions of Eastern Ghats, deltaic regions of Mahanadi, Ganga, Godavari, Krishna. Black soil is found in some tracts of Deccan, Plateau region like Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh. Laterite soil is found in highlands of plateau regions like parts of West Bengal, Odisha, Konkan coastal plains. Red soil is found in parts of Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, northeastern states of India. The crops produced in alluvial soil are rice, wheat, sugarcane, jute. The crops produced in black soil are cotton, oilseeds, tobacco, cereals, vegetables. The crops produced in laterite soil are tobacco, cashew nuts, rubber, coffee, tea, ragi. The crops produced in red soil are tobacco, rice, groundnuts, and potatoes. Soil erosion. The agents of soil erosions are by the action of running water, by the action of wind, by the action of human interference. Process of soil erosion: gully erosion, reel erosion, sheet erosion, shore erosion, leaching, stream bank erosion. Let's know the causes of soil erosion: heavy population pressure on land, nature of rainfall, overgrazing, faulty agricultural practice, deforestation, topography. Region of soil erosion: regions like badland of Chambal and Yamuna rivers, Chotanagpur Plateau region, Regur soil area of Maharashtra, dry region of Rajasthan, Gujarat and Haryana, the Tapi Sabarmati Valley region, Piedmont region of Himalayas. These are some examples of soil erosion like human interference, deforestation, faulty agricultural practice. There are some methods of soil conservation: terrace farming, shelter belts, contour plowing, strip cropping, construction of dams. Hopefully this video will be helpful to you and we will conserve our soil and save our nature. Thanks for watching.